Good morning. Are you happy you're home? No! You wanna go? What? You wanna go back to the hospital? No, and where do you wanna go?
Tito.
Sa doctor! You're going back to the doctor? Why? Do you feel sick? Eh, bakit tayo babalik sa doctor?
Tick.
I-check ikaw if you're okay. What else will the doctor do?
Tito.
Check ka dito your oxygen. She will check your oxygen here and your temperature. Saan i-check yung temperature mo? Sa?
Me.
Sa knee? No, sa kilikili. You remember, check nila sa kilikili. Toot, 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 toot. Ganyan.
Leon.
Ganyan. Anong ginawa mo sa hospital?
Baby.
May baby doon. Nag-play ka with the baby? Anong play niya?
Ate.
May ate.
What's
Nag-play kayo ng blocks?
big, big.
Big blocks? That's awesome.
Fire. Fire again.
Ganyan? Fire.
Fire.
Meron kayong toy guns? Anong name ng friend mo? What's the name of your friend?
Ate.
Si ate. Eli. Anong si ate? Eli. He's a boy.
Boy.
Si Eli.
Boy.
You wanna see Eli again?
Mm.
No. No. Why? Cough ikaw? Are you... Yeah. Utot. You're so gross. You're a gross baby.
Love you.
I love you too.